Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Growtopia 403 Forbidden. First, open the Play Store and search for Growtopia. Make sure the game is fully updated to the latest version because an outdated app can often cause a 403 Forbidden error. Now go back and open the settings on your mobile phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps to open the list of installed applications. Here, search for Growtopia and tap on it to open the app info page. Now tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing connection issues. After that, check your internet connection. Turn off your internet and then turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, turn off the airplane mode and reconnect to your internet. This helps refresh the storage section again. Here, tap on Clear Data and then tap on OK to confirm. These will reset the app data and fix corrupted files. Next, go back to the app info section. Tap on Uninstall and then tap on OK to completely remove Growtopia from your device. After uninstalling, go back and open the Play Store again. Search for Growtopia and tap on Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it is done, open Growtopia. When permission requests appear, tap on OK and then tap on Allow so the game can run properly. Now set your age as required. Finally, tap on Accept to agree to the terms and continue. After completing all these steps, the Growtopia 403 Forbidden error should be fixed, and the game should work normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.